Oh, sorry, I turned it down.
You guys see we're driving through extreme whiteout conditions here in Minnesota. It's absolute chaos. I would not recommend going outside today, dude. This is absolute crazy. This is Dan the Toolman Miller logging in. Now, as we prepare for the snow tornadoes that'll be following this blizzard, I want everybody to know I love you. Look, trees are down in the woods. Look at that. This is getting chaotic, guys. I would not recommend going anywhere unless you know how to dress up like a damn Eskimo, all right? Don't be dumb and dumber. Don't risk it. Don't risk it for the biscuit unless you got the tools to fix it. That's why I'm Dan the Toolman Miller. Holla at your boy.